Running late but still want a breakfast that's healthy, energizing, and super easy to make? Say goodbye to boring mornings. Today we're making two quick recipes that are big on flavor and nutrition. Green Moong Chilla, a protein-packed savory pancake, and Quinoa Upma, a fiber-rich veggie-loaded twist on a classic. Now let's get into the recipe of Green Moong Chilla. Start by adding soaked green moong dal, green chilies, ginger, fresh coriander leaves, cumin seeds and salt to a blender. Blend until you get a smooth batter. Now heat a pan, pour a ladleful of the batter in the center. Using the back of the ladle, spread it out in circular motions just like a dosa. Drizzle a little oil around the edges and let it cook till the bottom turns golden and crisp. Flip and cook the other side until done. Remove from pan and your high-protein green moong chilla is ready to serve. Now let's move on to the Quinoa Upma recipe. In a pan, heat a bit of oil and add mustard seeds. Once they start popping, add urad dal, a pinch of hing and a few curry leaves. Now add chopped onions and saute till translucent. Now add rinsed quinoa, give it a mix and then pour in water and salt. Cover this and cook for a few minutes. Once the water is mostly absorbed, stir in chopped carrots and French beans. If needed, add a splash more water. Now cover this and cook again until the quinoa and veggies are fully cooked. Finally, mix in some green peas, a handful of salted peanuts, and a good squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Your Quinoa Upma is ready to be served. And just like that, you've got a protein-rich Moong Chilla and a fiber-filled Quinoa Upma. Delicious, wholesome, and ready in minutes. Try it and thank yourself later. For more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Times Foodie.